Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to be checking out or showing you how to fix the wake up gesture for your Samsung Galaxy Watch. I have two possible solutions for you, and we're going to show you how to do that right now. The first way is to make sure the theater mode is turned off and the good night mode is turned off. Those are the two major settings that you must have off in order to have the wake up gesture work. Now, there is a software glitch that Samsung is aware of, and the only fix to do this is you open up the Galaxy wearable app, then you go down to settings, about watch, okay, backup and restore, and then you back up the entire watch to your phone, okay? Once that's completed, then you reset the watch to factory default. Reattach the watch to the phone, the whole spiel that you did when you first bought it, okay? Then you restore from the phone to the watch, and everything should be back to normal again, and you'll have the gesture function. So they know of the problem, okay? They know of the problem, and this is the fix. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.